Welcome once again to my channel. Today we are making a tasty restaurant style capsicum curry. So delicious and easy to prepare. Just follow along and we will make it together. I have listed the ingredients in the description, so be sure to check that out. Here's what we need: chilli powder, turmeric, coriander, bay leaf, black cardamom, cinnamon stick and cumin seeds. Let's start cooking. First chop 3 onions and capsicum into dices, just like how I did. Keep them aside. Now thinly slice the remaining onions and tomato and take 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. If you prefer, you can use sliced ginger and garlic instead. Since I have the paste, I am using that. Now heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Follow the steps as I am doing so that you don't miss anything. Fry the capsicum and diced onions until they turn soft but still retaining a little crunch. Once done, remove and keep them aside in a bowl. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and fry the remaining onions, tomato and ginger garlic paste. Once well fried, transfer them to a bowl, let them cool and blend it into smooth paste. Now using the same pan or a different one if you prefer, add some oil and fry the whole spices one by one. Then add the chilli powder, turmeric and cumin powder. Hold off on the coriander powder for now. We will add that later. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. Next, pour in the blended onion tomato paste and stir well. Add the coriander powder and let it cook nicely. the masala is well fried, turn off the heat and let it cool slightly. Then mix in curd or cream, stirring continuously. After that, turn the heat back on and keep stirring as it cooks. Cover and let it simmer for a minute. When you open it, you will notice the oil separating from the masala. That's a good sign. Now add the fried capsicum and onion. Stir well and check for salt. Let it cook for another 2 minutes so the flavors blend beautifully. And that's it, your delicious restaurant style capsicum curry is ready. Let's dish out the curry. Serve it with rice, jeera rice, roti or puri. It goes with everything. Happy cooking and see you in the next video.